Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay.
In cooking, gelatin changes in food. Gelatin absorbs water and swells. When heated, the gelatin dissolves to form a clear liquid which sets when cooked.
Gelatin is a protein that has been extracted from the skin, bones, tendons, and connective tissue of cattle slaughtered for meat.
Gelatin is usually obtained from cows or pigs. Gelatin is used in shampoos, face masks, and other cosmetics. Also as a thickener for fruit gelatins and puddings such as jello, in candies, marshmallows, cakes, ice creams, and yogurts. On photographic film, on vitamin as a coating and as capsules, and it is sometimes used to assist in clearing wines. Gelatin is not vegan. However, there is a product called agar-agar that is sometimes marketed as gelatin, but it is vegan. It is derived from a type of seaweed.
Gelatin is a tasteless, transparent, odorless, brittle solid. It is also faint yellow in color.
When mixed with water, the gelatin absorbs it and swells because the protein molecules in it form a three-dimensional network which entangles the water and immobilizes it. When the water is trapped in this way, it forms a gel. If the gel is then heated above 35 degrees Celsius, it becomes a liquid which is called a sol. When cooled, the sol becomes solid, and this process is called gelation.
The ability of gelatin to cause liquids to set in food to be used in food preparation in several purposes.
In the category of domestic uses, I'll give you 8 ways. 1. In jellies, clear or plain, sweet or savory. 2. Whips, made by beating plain jelly into a froth until it thickens. 3. Sponges, made by adding whipped egg whites to a plain jelly to form a spongy textured sweet. 4. Bavarian, made by folding in whipped cream to a plain jelly. 5. Creams, made with gelatin, milk, or cream and eggs. 6. Soufflés. 7. Sweets, examples marshmallows. 8. Aspic, for setting meat, fish, and vegetables in a savory jelly. In the industrial uses, I will give you 6 ways. 1. Ice cream as a stabilizer to ensure a smooth texture. 2. Meats, for canned hams and pressed meat, meatloaves, pies, and sausages. 3. Thickening agent for soups and creams. 4. Crystallized fruits such as cherries. 5. Medicine as a coating for pills and capsules. 6. Yogurt as a stabilizer to stop separation.
There's a way that gelatin should be added to a mixture.
First step is to sprinkle the gelatin into the liquid in a jug. Next, stand the jug in a pan of hot water, stir, and leave to dissolve. Next, the gelatin is ready for use when it is clear and transparent. And lastly, do not boil the gelatin liquid. The dissolved gelatin should be poured slowly into the mixture, stirring all the time to incorporate the gelatin completely. The mixture should not be icy cold as the hot gelatin liquid will not mix well and will form ropey globules. This will prevent it from setting properly. Fresh pineapple should be cooked first if used in a dish that is not to be set with gelatin. This is because pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which prevents gelatin from setting. Heating inactivates the enzyme. Gelatin should not be added to very hot milk as it will cause it to curdle. Gelatin can be used to help jam to set, but it will not keep so for long if this is done.
In case you were wondering, gelatin is not as useful in the diet as once was thought.
Gelatin is a protein, but although it is an animal protein, it has a low biological value. It is not, therefore, as useful in the diet as we once thought. Gelatin can be used to set jam for people suffering from diabetes, where sugar intake has to be limited. Gelatin absorbs moisture readily and so should be stored in a cool, dry place. It will also absorb odors from other foods and so should be kept in an airtight container.
We have come to the end of the lesson for today. I hope you would have learned something. And do remember that every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.